Good afternoon. This is Sean with Trenchless Pipelining, and we are at 1307 St. Andrews Drive here in Rockledge, Florida. We are looking at the kitchen line. It is 11 feet. Again, it was a little more than 11 feet, but we're calling it 11 feet. So let's get this done. Will, can you go ahead and start pulling it back nice and slow? That's a good speed. And that's the 90. All right, Will, you're right at the 90. And that was it. Again, this is Trenchless Pipelining, and we are at 1307 St. Andrews Drive here in Rockledge, Florida.